This right here is my newest creation, a fully mechanical Lego Krispy Kreme vending machine. One thing you may notice about it is that there's a severe lack of donuts in it. So I say we go and change that.
Hi, welcome to Krispy Kreme. How can we help you?
Hi, can I just get 2 original glazed and a 2 chocolate iced, please? Either a glazed or chocolate donut is dispensed after the payment of $2. Now let's purchase a chocolate donut, and after that I'll show you how the machine works. The bar relocks after the purchase is completed and is now ready for the next customer. But by now you guys understand how the machine operates, so let me explain to you how the machine works and how I arrived at this point. Now the mechanism in this final product is relatively different from my original plan. As illustrated by this crude drawing, the option choosing buttons were supposed to be rigged up to stationary gears. These gears would interlock with the donut dispensing gears and lock the respective donut mechanisms in place. I used a similar mechanism in my Taco Bell machine. But after mocking up a rough draft, I found that as the mechanism operated, the button would actually get pushed outwards thanks to the rotation of the gears. This rendered the mechanism close to useless. After some pondering, I found that I could reuse the buttons in a mechanism that follows similar logic. I ended up using the back side of the donut conveyor belt as part of the option choosing mechanism. What happens is when the button is pressed, it moves the blue bar out of the way of the donut conveyor system and allows it to rotate. At the same time, the opposing donut mechanism is locked into place by the second blue bar. To prevent both buttons from being pressed at once, the yellow Technic bar pushes one button out whilst the other is pushed in. The donuts are dispensed by 2 vertical conveyor systems. The most crucial part of this lower half of the mechanism are the 2 ratchet systems. What they do is allow one donut mechanism to rotate while the other remains stationary. These 2 elements are essential to the machine since without them there would be no way for the mechanism to only dispense one donut at a time. Lastly, we'll cover the coin mechanism. What happens here is the $2 coins fall into the mechanism, lifting the black bar and allowing the mechanism to rotate. Since I decided to charge $2 coins, this meant I needed to employ a seesaw mechanism. When 2 coins land on one side, it tips the platforms and drops the coins into the unlocking mechanism. To filter out coins other than dollar coins, this slanted platform has a hole just wide enough that small coins fall through it. Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.